shall I render to Jehovah? For he has done so very much for me. What shall I render to Jehovah? For he has done so very much for me. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World, and the reason why I'm singing is just I want to thank God. Just want to say thank you to God for all his grace and his mercies that have brought me this far. God has given me 1,000 subscribers and I'm so grateful. I didn't know that I'll get this far, but God has been so good to me, so I am very grateful. This video is just say thank you to God for the many things that he's done for me. That's why I'm singing. What shall I render to Jehovah? What shall I tell God what he's done for me? I just want to say thank you because I just started this channel during lockdown when we're all at home. My kids and I've been cooking a lot because they were all at home. And then my kids said, "Oh, mommy, let's just put this on YouTube." And I was like, "Oh, what YouTube?" And then we just did it for fun. And then I realized that, oh, it's quite nice in doing this. And then we continued. First of all, it was family who were just trying to enjoy it, and then most people then subscribed. So I'm so grateful. I didn't even think that I would come this far. For 1,000 subscribers, I am so grateful. So today we are baking a cake. Okay, I'm making a chocolate cake. It's one of my kids' favorite. And then we will just cut the cake and say thank you to God. And I want to say thank you to all my colleagues on YouTube. I can't mention you, all of you, just many of you who have encouraged me with your comments. I am so grateful. And I thank you to all my subscribers. You have been with me this far. Thank you very much. Without you, I don't know what I've been. You have subscribed, and that is why I've gone to 1,000 subscribers now. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. Thank you. May God richly bless you all. So today what we are making is, as I've told you already, is chocolate cake. So what I'm doing, I'm just cutting this chocolate. I'm putting them all in the cake. It's going to be really yummy, so you have to stick by me. Okay, stick by me and let's do this chocolate cake, and then we decorate it. All right. So so you are all welcome, and all those new members who are here, you are welcome. This is Nana's Food World. This is where we do lots of yummy recipes. So if you are new, you can just stay on. If you like the recipe, you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll be very grateful. Thank you so much, guys. I'm so grateful. So guys, first of all, I have some flour here. I want to add all the dry ingredients. Okay, I have baking powder as well. Okay, put that in the bowl, and then I have my cocoa powder, so add it to that, and I mix it. I want to make sure they are thoroughly mixed nicely. Okay, this is a very easy recipe. So I'm going to add the wet ingredients. I have some butter in the bowl. I'm going to add my sugar. I put all the measurements down below. Okay, and I'm going to whisk this until it's nice and fluffy. So guys, I want to add some eggs. I have 3 eggs in a cups. I want to add some vanilla extract before I add it to my mixture. Okay, just 1 teaspoonful. Guys, you add it bit by bit. Right, guys, so we finished. We need to add the dry ingredient. So guys, this is our chocolate goodness, and I want to add my chocolate shavings. Right, I have my tin ready, so I'll just add it to my tin. So guys, I'm ready to put it in the oven. It's already on preheated at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. Okay, so I'll put that in for about 50 to 60 minutes. So guys, this is our chocolate cake made. Okay, it smells really good. Oh my goodness, it smells really good, I tell you. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just decorate it. I'm going to do some butter icing and then we decorate it. Okay, so we're going to start the butter icing. So guys, we're making the buttercream. I want to use the mixer because it makes it easier and faster. So I have some butter in my mixer, so I'm going to whisk it until it's light before I add the sugar. So guys, as you can see here, the butter is light and fluffy. You know, it's changed color. It's quite pale yellow now. You need to do that. You need to make sure that you've taken your butter out of the fridge at least about 1 or 2 hours before you do this, so that will be quicker for you. So I'm adding the sugar now. Okay, I'll put all the measurement down below. I know there's a lot of sugar, and then I'm going to mix it again. So guys, mixing the sugar now. So guys, we are getting there. I need to add just about a teaspoon of vanilla extract, please. So, and then I'm going to add my chocolate powder. And then we're going to mix it again. So guys, our buttercream is ready. So butter icing, it's really light and it's delicious. Just look at that, it's really delicious. Okay, so what I am doing now is to put them in my piping bag, and then we're going to pipe it onto our lovely chocolate cake. Just a simple decoration. guys, this is our lovely cake. This is my lovely cake to say thank you very much for supporting me and for helping me to get to 1,000 subs. I'm so grateful. So grateful to you, so grateful to God, so grateful to everyone who has helped me. I can't even start mentioning it because you're a lot. I thank you for all your comments, your encouragements and everything. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful. So this is our lovely chocolate cake with buttercream icing, chocolate buttercream icing. It's really good and so delicious. So please try it. It's so good. So if you like this recipe, guys, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you so much, and may God richly bless you all for your support. I am so grateful. Thank you. May God bless you. Bye.